No, there are no races in the Netherlands. No, I'm from the Netherlands, and a friend of me lives in Valencia, and he has good contact with Luis, and he asked Luis if I can come here, and so he said okay, he can come, and now I'm here and I can race. Yeah, it's nice to race here, because in the Netherlands or Belgium there are not so much races where I can race, and here they give me a chance to race, and I am happy that I can race here and also that I can win one race. So let's hope we can do some good things next races. And yeah, we will see. Yeah, so I have to find, yeah, now I find an other place to start the season, and hope I can race soon in the Netherlands and or in Belgium or something like that. Maybe it's faster because it's more flat, but, but yeah, it's a little bit the same as here, but maybe in the Netherlands it's more control in the race of big teams. We go, like in the Netherlands we don't have real climbs or something like that, so then we go to France, or like now I'm going to Spain for riding in the mountains, and yeah, also in Luxembourg we have some races, so we try to find the hills. I hope we can start racing in June. And yeah, it's different because in the Netherlands or Belgium there's no public. And yesterday by the finish there was a lot of people. So it's nice to race with people nearby the road, so it's nice.